Oh. Alrighty, folks. Happy Monday. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. This here's them tomatoes we had started last week, or 2 weeks ago. I'll show you the ones over here that we was planting last. I believe I brought you up here and showed you the trays. Let me get this one. There, got that seed off. And we tried this year, sort of an experiment. We tried one tray of corn in here to try to get ahead a little bit. So far it's looking good. And what gave me this idea, I seen there last year before last one, I think I showed you the price. It was a crazy price for like 6 things of corn. This is Obsession corn. And over here you can see these are the ones I showed you last week. Back there's another. Pick them off without them tearing up too bad. But they're coming up pretty good so far. But no, I believe there's right at 750 seeds we've got started. Tomato seeds. Now these won't all be for us. Gonna have to buy a bunch more solo cups, I believe. Nothing happens to them. But no, this is in the water bed that we had built a couple years ago, well, several years ago. And like I said, knock on wood, they've done good for us every other year. Hopefully everything will work out all right with them. Now this tray here, that is some of the seeds we had saved. Those are all German pink, that seed bed there. Move that there. Get the little seed hull off of them there. Alrighty, we'll step up here to the greenhouse and show you them tomatoes. We had started them earlier than these. Of course, you'll see the size difference. Hopefully you can see this here. That's them little garlic bubbles, or however you want to say it, or however you're supposed to say it. They're coming up. I'm getting ready to water them too. Well, you can hear the wind blowing up high in the trees. Alrighty, we're up in the big greenhouse now. Now some of these tomatoes, when we set them out, they got sunburned. And then hopefully you can see that row of beans up through there. Carolyn is going through right now replanting some of the one beans. We noticed they's awful scattered, and we actually planted them pretty heavy. And Dixie over there eating a little bit of grass. And yesterday evening I happened to find there, we believe what it was a mouse. There wasn't, we dug down to see if they was sprouting or see what the problem was. Now y'all just have to look over the weeds. We still gotta get in here and get them out of here. Morning glories especially. But anyway, over in that bed over there, I found several holes burred down, and then found a bunch of mouse droppings. And we're thinking that's what happened, because there was no beans whatsoever. And like I said, we planted them heavy, thick through there. So already the first pest. But no, just thought I'd give you a quick tour real quick. Show you, we're not gonna bore you. But no, so far, there was 4 nights, I guess it was, Yeah, some of these tomatoes we're just going to pull up out of there. I've got some more started. We didn't harden these ones off before we put them in here, and the sun was just too much for them in here. And we're the ones always harping about hardening off everything. Step out here and look at this pretty green grass. But no, we'll replace those, and then as it gets a little bit warmer, the reason I put them in that bed there is further from the wall, and like I started to say there, and I stopped I believe, it's 4 nights we built a fire in there and run the fan. I just got up a couple times through the night, come up and kept the wood in there, and it kept it up about 60 degrees. So, but no, it had got down to the 20s a couple of the nights, frost, and I just wanted them, try to look after them there. Well folks, I hope you all have a blessed week. Stay safe, and Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday. And we sure do appreciate each and every one of us for watching our channel. If you would, share it with your friends. And we'll see you Wednesday. Thank you again for watching.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeland's home.